Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best homeopathy kit is probably one of the most intriguing approaches to wellness, offering a unique perspective on how we address common health concerns. These kits, rooted in the principle of like cures like, provide a range of remedies designed to gently stimulate the body's natural healing processes. Whether you're new to homeopathy or a seasoned enthusiast, understanding the components and applications of these kits can be a fascinating journey into alternative medicine. Number 5. VitaMedica Arnica Montana 30X Tablets. Are you looking for a gentle and effective way to support your recovery? These tablets are designed to soothe mild to general pain. It provides clinical-grade support for surgery, injury, bruising, and swelling. This product uses botanically derived, chemical-free, natural Arnica tablets. It blends modern science with holistic wisdom. These tablets are sourced from real Arnica Montana flowers. Feel better faster after surgery or injury with this soothing holistic reducer. This homeopathic potency is ideal for bruising and swelling from soft tissue trauma. It can be used on the face, neck, and body. Ease pain and discomfort fast with these quick-dissolving, all-natural tablets. They aid in athletic recovery and stimulate the body's natural restorative processes after surgical procedures and injury. VitaMedica's wellness products have been trusted by plastic surgeons for over 25 years. They speed the recovery of swelling, bruising, and pain from surgeries and cosmetic procedures. This product naturally promotes quicker recovery time and alleviates pain and discomfort. What we like. This product offers rapid dissolving tablets for quick relief. It provides clinical strength support for pain and swelling, making it ideal for post-surgery or injury recovery. If you are looking for a natural and physician-recommended solution to speed up your recovery, you should consider this. What people say. It really made a difference. Super practical, tiny tablets with a sweet taste, my bruising and swelling went down quickly. Easy to take and helps with bruising. Easy to take because they dissolve on the tongue. They also have a pleasant taste. Number 4. Helios Homeopathy Family Kit. Introducing the Helios Homeopathy Family Kit. This compact kit is designed to be your go-to solution for homeopathic remedies, offering a convenient way to address various health concerns for the whole family. This kit is compact and robust, making it easy to carry with you wherever you go. Whether you're at home or traveling, it ensures you have access to essential remedies whenever you need them. Purchasing this kit is economical. It includes a range of remedies at a lower cost than buying them individually, providing great value for your money. The kit contains 36 different remedies, each in 30C potency. Each vial contains approximately 35 pilules, with each pilule representing 1 dose. With every purchase, you'll receive Mary Aspinwall's homeopathy course. This valuable resource will help you understand and effectively use the remedies in the kit. This kit is suitable for the whole family. It's a homeopathic medicine chest that fits in the palm of your hand, providing natural support for everyone. What we like. This kit is compact and robust, making it easy to carry with you. It's also economical, offering a range of remedies at a lower cost than buying them individually. If you are looking for a comprehensive and portable homeopathic solution for the whole family, you should consider this. What people say. This kit has the #1 go-to remedies for those day-to-day little dramas that happen to us all, with clear instructions on which remedy to use. The kit comes with a mini VitaMedica which explains a little bit about each remedy. Great to travel with. It also has a beginner's guide to homeopathy, a 200+ years old form of healing. Number 3. Homeopathic First Aid Kit. This compact kit is designed for emergencies. It's small enough to fit in your hand, making it easy to carry wherever you go. The kit is very portable. You can take it with you anywhere, ensuring you're prepared for any situation. It offers a range of homeopathic remedies. Buying the remedies together in this kit is more economical than purchasing them individually. This kit is built to last. It's durable and ready for use whenever you need it. Explore the full range of homeopathic remedy kits. Plus, every kit includes Mary Aspinwall's homeopathy course. What we like. This first aid kit is designed to be compact and portable, perfect for on-the-go use. It's also economical, providing a range of remedies in one convenient package. If you like having a reliable and easy-to-carry first aid solution for emergencies, you should consider this. What people say. This kit has many of the most needed remedies all enclosed in a sturdy plastic covering. Small enough to take with you everywhere. The pellets dissolve under the tongue and begins to work quickly. The plastic container is very sturdy. This is small enough to fit in my medium-sized purse. Number 2. Boiron HomeoFamily Kit with Oscillococcinum. This kit is filled with our pharmacist's selection of the most widely used homeopathic medicines. It's designed to provide a comprehensive solution for your family's needs. The kit contains a selection of 6C and 30C tubes. You'll find a variety of remedies to address different concerns. Check the images and description for a complete list of what's included. As a special bonus, this kit includes 12 individual doses of Oscillococcinum. It's a great addition to have on hand. The kit comes with a handy storage case to keep everything organized. Plus, there's an easy guide pamphlet that explains what each tube is for. Get ready for summer, fall, and spring with this essential kit. Add it to your cart today and be prepared for whatever comes your way. What we like. This kit is an updated family kit with a selection of widely used homeopathic medicines. It also includes individual doses of Oscillococcinum. If you are looking for a kit with a variety of remedies and an easy-to-use guide, you should consider this. What people say. It comes complete with medicine, all multi-dose, and a nicely detailed product sheet outlining the most common uses indications for the medicine provided. This has allowed me to neatly organize my Boiron homeopathic remedies in alphabetical order so they're easy to find. It also fits neatly on a shelf. Number 1. Homeopathy First Aid Kit with 60 remedies. Introducing the Homeopathy First Aid Kit, a doctor-recommended solution for emergencies. This kit contains 60 essential homeopathic medicines, perfect for minor illnesses and injuries. It's designed to provide quick and effective relief. Inside, you'll find 60 basic homeopathic medicines in sterile glass containers. These remedies are based on the Banerjee protocols, a modern approach to homeopathic treatment. This kit offers a comprehensive selection for various first aid needs. The kit follows the Banerjee protocols, which use ultradilutional medicines. This system simplifies the complex process of homeopathic treatment. Homeopaths worldwide recognize its effectiveness and cost efficiency. Homeopathy is 100% safe and effective for many patients. Each bottle in this kit contains over 220 medicated pellets, offering great value. It's a reliable choice for your first aid needs. This kit provides excellent value with its comprehensive selection of remedies. It's a cost-effective way to manage minor health issues. Get yours today and be prepared for any situation. What we like. This kit contains 60 essential homeopathic remedies, following Dr. Banerjee protocols. The treatment is cost-effective for numerous conditions. If you have a need for a comprehensive kit based on a standardized approach, you should consider this. What people say. It is a great kit, very sturdy with a good assortment following the Banerjee protocols. This kit comes with more essentials than most. I love that it has some Banerjee protocol remedies already made together. The case is easy to carry around and contains a lot of the regular remedies a person would use. Many in 200 strength. I highly recommend this kit for the serious student of homeopathy that is following the Banerjee protocols. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.